Today we are going to study lesson number 14. Animals. Then let's start. Animals are living creatures. Animals require water, air and shelter. Animals are found all over the world. There are different types of kinds. Big and small animals, they live in water and land. On land. Let's talk about animals in our surrounding. How do they look? And what do they make sound? Dog says bow bow. Cat says meow meow. Pig says oink oink. Dog says quack quack. Sheep says ba ba. We are going to see body parts of animals. Body parts of cat. Let's have a look our body parts of a cat. Eyes, nose, mouth, whisker, ears, paw, tail. You know, friends, fish is the water animal. So it has different body parts. Let's see body parts of a fish. Fins, eyes, mouth, gills, scale and tail. See, these are my lovebirds. They eat with their beaks. Now we are going to study types of animals. First is there are 4 types of animals. First is pet animal. Second is domestic animal. Third is wild animal. Fourth is water animal. First we are going to learn pet animals. Pet animals that we keep at home to give us company. We keep these animals for our pleasure or happiness. Let's see the examples of pet animals. Cat, dog and rabbit. My favorite pet animal is parrot because that is talking bird. Let's see the example of pet animals. Dog, puppy, turtle, rabbit, parrot, cat, kitten, goldfish, tropical fish, hamster. Second is domestic animals. Domestic animals useful to man. Cow, buffalo and goat give us milk. Bull helps the farmers. Hen and dog gives us eggs. elephant, donkey, and horse carry loads for us. Dog guards our houses. Camels are used in deserts. Now we have example of domestic animals. Cow, dog, rabbit, llama, goose, turkey, goat, hen, sheep, pigeon, horse, camel, duck, donkey, cat. Third type of animal is wild animals. Why? They do not live with us, but they live in nature. They are wild because they live in wilderness. Wild animals live in forest and mountain. Look at this picture. These are wild animals. Tiger, red panda, hippopotamus, zebra, rhinoceros, bear, cheetah, elephant, giraffe, kangaroo, gorilla, lion, hyena. Four types of animal is water animal. Water animal likes fish, swims their fins. They breathe with their gills and they eat different food like corals. Whale eat planktons. My favorite water animal is dolphin because that is smart animal. When he sleeps, it keeps one eye open to watch its predators. Now we will see example of water animals. Angelfish, catfish, tuna, goldfish, codfish, octopus, whale, eel, seahorse, shark, dolphin, sea turtle, jellyfish, lobster, starfish, seal, sea lion, crocodile, oyster, crab, paddlefish. In types of animals, next is birds. Birds have feathers, wings, lay eggs and are warm-blooded. Birds fly with the help of their wings. See, these are my lovebirds. They eat with their beaks. Let's study body parts of a bird. Feather, wings, tail, legs, body, beak, eyes, head. Now we are going to see example of birds. Barn owl, wood duck, penguin, parrot, ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in all over the world. Rooster, herring gull, vulture, pigeon, goose, eagle, hen, sparrow, crow, falcon, turkey, woodpecker, hummingbird, peacock, swan, stork, heron, dove, nightingale, nightingale, quail, kite, robin, great teal, goldfinch, blue jay. Now we will see how to take care of animals. Pets need care and attention to keep them healthy, happy and safe.